Guys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Charlie Puth with Kenny G. This is a song called Cry. So, very simple song to play. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario. And yeah, with that, we have no need for any capo, only 4 simple chords. Let's go through them. We're going to start with E. Okay, so E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have B minor 7 next, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger as a bar on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings there. You don't need that last E string in the bass. But then you need to add 4th D and 3rd B. We have D next, which is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have the A. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So there we have the chord progression. So we're going to learn the strumming now, which is a 2-part strumming. So it covers 2 chords. So let's go and learn the first 2, like E part 1 and B minor 7 part 2. The first part 1 goes like this. So it's down, then down up, and then up. That's it. So down, down, up, up. Then you switch chord to B minor 7 and play this. Oh, sorry, wrong chord. There we have the B minor 7. Okay, so what you're going to play here is the down, then down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. And together it sounds like this. And then apply the same principles for the next 2 chords. So D is part 1, down, down, up, up, and then A part 2, played in the same way as B minor 7. So together it goes like this. Yeah, and there you have it, guys. Doesn't have to be harder than that. Kenny G, Charlie Puth, Cry, Cry, Cry. Hope to see you soon, guys. Happy and shining, smiling, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Play tuned.